Hello friends, how are you? My name is Arun. Today I am going to discuss about how to find number of words or words frequency in a given sentence, or else find the duplicate words in a given strings. Okay, let me explain the problem, friends, first. So I have a sentence. So I am taking that sentence into one string. So what is the meaning? Suppose, for example, I have one string. So string s equal to, so sun rises in the east, and sun sets in the west, and west facing is always always good. Friends, think about the input. Don't see the, what is that, grammar mistakes or uppercase lowercase, these matter. Just see the input, that's it only. Okay, this is the, recently one interviewer asked me. So he asked me, what is your approach, so how to solve this one. I said, I'll take one. So first I'll split the entire string into different words. So like this, friends. So my approach is like this. I said, say string, say str equal to s dot split of double quotes. Why I am taking empty string is, each and every word is divided with um, empty space only. So that's the reason I have taken this. So immediately what will be happen, based on the space, all words will be splitted, and those are available into this string. So finally what I will do, I'll take one map, say map, and I'll take one generic as well, like this. What is that? So I am taking string as key, and I am taking integer as value. Okay. Now map object I am taking, which implementation class you are taking, anything you can take it. Just I am taking new hash map. Okay. After that, what I will do, I'll iterate this entire loop, entire string actually. So it's an array, right? So integer, instead of integer, you can take for each loop. So just I am taking string x, and what is the array? Str is the array. So each and every time what will be happen, from string, word by word will be coming into x. So I am checking here. First I will take one if condition. What is that condition, we'll discuss later, and else also. So if and else. Inside the if, what I am doing is I am checking map dot, say, contains of. So contains key, friends. Already this x means this word is available or not inside the map. If it is available, then what I will do, this yeah, true block will be executed. Otherwise what will be happen, first time we are inserting, no problem. Map dot put off, say x comma 1, I will put it. So if it is not first time, already sun is there, right here, sun two times, and so what will be happen, very simple, friends. Map dot say put off, you have to insert text value, and while updating you have to get the old value. Current value you have to get it. For that one, what I am doing, map dot say get off x I am passing. So what will be happened, it will give you the existing value, old value, it will get it. So what I am doing, I am incrementing by 1, that's it. So like this, I'll tell. So finally I'll display sop of map. I said that, and he asked me, okay, the logic is fine, perfect, it is working fine. If everything is fine, so what are the conditions you have to check, and what are the mistakes you did it? I said that, and while proceeding I'll check whether x is empty or not. So sorry, string. So that means this s should not be empty. I said that the first condition is, I will check, string should not be empty or should not be null. And he said that that is fine, everyone will do. So what else you have to check? I said, I'm fine, everything I am checking, that is fine. I said that. He told me that, if you see here yes is, lowercase, everything is fine. But if you see here west is there, right? And here also West is there. Here all are lowercase letters. Here W is uppercase. Okay, in the same in the meaning. Suppose if Sun is starting letter is if it is uppercase, then it is lowercase. So in that case, what will be happen? Key, uppercase and lowercase matters, right? So you have to handle that one also. And one more thing he discussed here, if you are splitting with space, what will be happen? West dot is there, dot also will include. So this west is different, this west is different, so how to handle? So you have to handle those two conditions as well. So I said okay. And let's try to implement this logic, friends. So what I'm going what I mean in I mean how I'm going to implement this logic. I hope you understood the problem. So let me go to here. First, I am taking one string here. String some str equal to, what is the string I am going to take? Just example. Anything you can take it. Just I am taking same example, which which he asked me. So sun rises in the east, and sun sets in the west, and west facing is always good. Some string is there. Once again I'm telling friends, and don't see the what is that, try to understand the try to look at the input, but not grammatical mistakes, and where we need to use the, where we need to use these things actually. Okay, next one. So first what I am doing is I am trying to convert into, say, str into lowercase letters. Okay, str equal to, say, str dot two uppercase or two lowercase. So because of this, what will be happen? In a given string, all letters will be in a consistent manner, like in a unique manner. So no uppercase, no lowercase. Yeah, all are in a one particular. All are in lowercase letters. That's it. If you want, you can use uppercase also, no problem. So once lowercase is done, then what will be happen? I am trying to remove this dot. I mean. Full stop. So how to do? So str equal to str dot. We have one method, friends. What is that? Replace method is there. If you see two characters, arguments mean two arguments. What are the two arguments? So old character. Which character you want to replace? Dot. Which one you want to replace with space? That's it, friends. Or else double quotes I am taking. If you want, you can take single quotes also. Anyway, character only, right? Anything is fine for me. No problem. Now just let me show you the output, what will be happen. Sun rises in the east and the sun sets in the west. Full stop is not there, west facing is always good. I think all are converted into lowercase only. We don't have any uppercase, lowercase, not like that. All are in the lowercase, so the problem is solved. Second case, data full stop also removed with space, replace it with the space, that is also solved. Next, what I am doing is just I am trying to split the entire string into words. Very simple, friends. We have split method. See here, string. So s equal to, so string is one dimensional array. Now str dot split of regular expression you can write. Just I am writing. I'm not writing anything. Simply space I am giving. That's it. Okay, based on the space, all things will be splitted. Let me check system dot out dot println. Say what is that, s dot length. So splitted or not, just I am checking. Yeah, 16 words are there. If you see here, you can count it. 16 words will be available. If you want to display those things, very simple. Just I am taking one for each loop. Okay. What is that? Just I am taking one string value, say X, or else key you can take it. Anything you can take it, no problem. Just I am passing that array. Now each and every time what will be happen from this array, one value by one word will get it, and will be assigned to key. Now let me display the value. System.out.println say key. Let me show you, friends, what will be happen. Yes, all words will be available. I got all the words. So now what I am doing is, I don't want to display anything. Just I am taking one map. So map also I am taking, generics also I am taking. What is that? I am taking string as key and I am taking integer as value. Just give one name. Just I am giving map. New, what is the implementation class I am taking? Hash map I am taking. So till then, I hope it is clear. So one map has been created and it is empty one also. Now, what is that inside? Just I am taking one if condition and else. Okay, if when true will be executed, when if the condition is true, then what will be happen, this block will be executed. If the condition is false, it will be executed. What is the condition I am checking? If map dot contains key of key, that means first time, I mean, I am taking this sun word and I am checking inside the map if already this word is available inside the map or not. If it is available, then if it is not available, first case, if it is not available, then what I am doing is first time, right? What is that key? Key you can pass it. And value, first time, right? How many times? Only one occurrences. That's it. If it is new, if it is new word, directly I am inserting and value is 1. No, if you hear some second time you are trying to insert, then what will be happen? Map dot contains, it will become true. In that case, what I am doing is say map dot put of key I'm inserting, but value you cannot put as 1. Why? Because it's already available. So you have to get the old value, existing value. So how to get it value? Very simple, friends. Map dot get method is there, and you have to pass the key. Then what will be happened? You will get the corresponding value. So for that value, just I'm incrementing by 1. That's it, friends. So if you see, uh, this for loop will be executed. And let me show you system.out.println. What is it? Map. Let me show you, friends, what is output. And the equal to 2, always like that only we get. So this is for till here it is completed. What is that? How to find words frequency. So this is words frequency only, friends. So if you see second one, find the duplicate words in the given sentence. So how to get the duplicate sentences? How to get it? It's very simple, friends. And we have cursors concept, right? So I am taking one cursor. What is that? Iterator. Why I am taking iterator? Iterator universal cursor. I don't have any restrictions on that. So that's why I'm taking one cursor. How to get iterator object? Map dot entry set is there. Dot iterator. So I got iterator object. Once if you got, once if you get the iterator object, what I am doing is just I am taking one while loop. Why I am taking while loop? Inside the map, how many entries are there? What is the meaning of entry? One key pair is called, combination is called entry. So how many entries are there? I don't know. That is the reason I am taking while loop. If you know the fixed number, then definitely I'll take for loop. Okay, fine. Iterator dot, if the next entry is available or not, how to check? Has next method is there, friends. It will give you boolean value. Boolean means true or false, it will give you. When it will give you true, if the next entry is available, it will give you true, otherwise it will give false. Okay, fine. Then what I am doing is inside I am trying to get entry. So entry in the interface, it is available inside the map interface. So don't take any map, and just I am taking me. And iterator dot next. So iterator dot next will give you entry object, but not, I mean, it will give, next method will give you object only. So you have to convert into entry object. So how to convert? Typecasting. Very simple, friends. Map dot entry only. So that's it. Once if you get the entry object, then what we need to do? We have to, we have two methods, get key method and get value method. So just what I am doing is m dot get key. Um, uh, Not key, just value I'm getting, friends. Okay. So this is also object get value. What is the type? Can you see here? What is the written type here? Object only, friends. So I'm trying to convert into which type? Integer type. So integer. So once if you get integer value, I'm holding into I. Now I'm checking if I is greater than 1. Duplicate means what is that? More than 1. So that's the reason I am taking I is greater than 1. And once if you get system.out.println, what is the value I have to display? M dot key you have to display that word. And if you want how many times it is, we have, you can display that value as well. I you can display value. That's it. Friends, why I am taking get key means word will be displayed I means number of times it is displayed. And if it is having one time, we'll skip that one. If we have duplicate word, then only we'll display. Okay, 2, 3, 4, any number of times you can display. Let me show you the output, friends. So the 2 times in 2 times west to 2 times sun equal to 2 times. Okay, let me check. Let me add a few more words. See sun, the and sun. Like I added sun one more time, the two more times. Let me show you the output, friends. Yeah, sun 3 times, the 4 times, west 2 times. So these are the duplicate words in our given sentence. And one more thing, uh, each word, this in 2 times we got it, and sun 3 times, and the 4 times, and west is 4 times, 2 times, friends. You can modify, you can give any string, or else you can give any sentence here, and this logic will work, friends. So that's what. So mainly he's working with my logic, but he expected these two conditions as well. What is that? Case sensitive. So first we have to convert the entire string into uppercase or lowercase. And one more thing, he asked me, we have to remove this dot operator as well. So that's what he expected. I did not tell, he only explained. So that is I mean this is one of this was my experience, interview experience, friends. And still if you are having any questions, or still if you are having any problems with any concern with my teaching, please let me know in the comment section, friends. Definitely I'll try to make one more video with detailed explanation. I hope it will be helpful in our future interviews or in our future requirements. Thanks a lot, friends. Thanks a lot for watching my video. And please let me know. Please support me, friends. That's it. Thanks a lot.